Yo, 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 what's up, Barrio Buildz family? This your boy Kubo back at it again with another little video. Happy New Year 2024. We need to start off the things right. I got my daughter with me. Siani, say hi. Sheesh. Today we're going to be installing a customized Stubby antenna. Has a pretty dope engraving with the Barrio Buildz name on it, and we're gonna be installing it on the Chevy Silverado. She's gonna do the work. Yeesh. Stay tuned. Alright, right here we have the product itself, Stubby antenna, nice packaging. Okay, some nice stickers. Look at it. This right here, this product is actually not a decal or anything like that. It's actually engraved into the antenna. Pretty cool. And yep. Before we take off, hi Zaylene. Say hi. Alright guys, right here is what we're gonna be working on. You see the big old antenna right here? That's where this is gonna come into play, the Stubby, and it's gonna be about only 2 inches. Honestly, it's really just a cosmetic mod more than anything. But sometimes, you know, I'm guilty of it. Sometimes when I'm lazy and I go through the drive-through car wash, that big antenna kind of just dingles everywhere and kind of gets caught. Sometimes I get scared like it's gonna break off. So with this thing, it's gonna be able to go through the car wash a little bit better when I do that, get lazy and just take it through there. But other than that, just gonna add a nice cosmetic look to it and make the truck look not so like I don't know, I feel like those antennas have been around for a long time, so it just gives it a new look. But yeah, check it out. All you pretty much gotta do here is twist it pretty hard. I don't know how much of a strong grip you have, but yeah, just pretty much twist it off. I'm kind of squeezing kind of hard right now. Some vice grips would probably do the work too if this don't work for you, but it's almost coming off, and just like that, it's off. Yep. For the new product right here, Stubby right here, same thing, same process. We're just gonna screw it into that little portion and see how it turns out. Alright guys, little Stubby is installed. Look at that, check it out. Nice. Gotta rep that Barrio Buildz for y'all. Definitely looks a lot better now after the install. Sheesh. I recommend you guys go to the Stubby. You can look them up on Google, pretty much anywhere, and get you squared away. Definitely takes away this big purpose of, look at this, I feel like I have a sword, but now we got that squared away. Y'all make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to get your merch. Just comment on the video itself or hit me up on Instagram at uribe.barriobuilds and let me know if you want some merch, want to tap in and support. Nevertheless, stay tuned for further upgrades And also just I'm gonna be doing more things, maybe not just car content, but maybe just in general, daily life vlogs, and yeah, trying to have fun and enjoy 2024. Remember, God loves you, and God bless you and all your family. Thank you for supporting Barrio Buildz, and we out. Sheesh.